everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing another haul for you. I have been to mainly Victoria's Secret plus a few other places, and I wanted to show you what things I got because I love everything so much and I really wanted to share it with you. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe because it means so much to me, and also give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and also please check me out on Instagram. It's at Aloha Amy _ and you can feel free to follow me on there. There's always lots of pink content and I'm always updating you on stories throughout the day, so please go ahead and follow me on there if you like. So I have done a little bit of damage once again in Victoria's Secret. It is my downfall because I just think everything in that shop is so beautiful. So I got a few things, I ordered a few things online. I happened to also go in store a few days later. So yeah, I did some damage. For some reason they don't ship their like beauty things, like their body sprays and things, they don't ship them online to the UK. So I ordered clothes online and then I got some more body sprays in store. So the first thing that I got is the top that I'm wearing right now. So I have been wanting to get this honestly since Black Friday. I saw it at the Black Friday sales and I missed getting it in my size, and I've had my eyes on it for a long time. So I finally got it and it was actually on sale a little bit as well. I know that a lot of people have this. I've seen a lot of American YouTubers who have this, but I just think it's so cute. I just think it's the perfect kind of everyday fleece which goes with like gym clothes or jeans or whatever. It just is perfect for kind of running errands and running about the house. It's so cute, and I got it in the baby pink colour, and it's just the Sherpa quarter zip fleece, I think it's called. And yeah, it's got a really nice kind of pocket here and it ties in as well, which is fab. So it keeps you nice and warm, and then it says pink on the inside here. And I just think it's so cute, it's so comfy. This is the first time I've worn it, and I was out running some errands this morning and it was just so cozy and comfy, and it's so soft. So soft. So next thing that I got from Victoria's Secret was another top from Pink. And this is for wearing to the gym, and I just saw this colour and I thought that this was so me. And it's basically just a kind of stretchy lycra material which will go perfectly with gym clothes. That's what it looks like, and it says pink on the back, and it's got like little holes in it as well, so it's nice and airy and light, and it'll be lovely for summertime on top of my gym clothes. And it's a high neck zip, and it's kind of goes quite far down the zip actually. But I just think it's so lovely, and it's also got a little hole so you can stick your thumb through, which is great because I always do that with my jumpers at the gym. So yeah, I just thought this was the prettiest colour. It's super comfy, it's very nice and fitted, and there's also pockets right here where I can keep my phone when I'm jogging on the treadmill. So yeah, I love it. I think it's really pretty, and it's like the perfect pink colour. I don't know if you can hear this, but there's a piper outside, like bagpipes. That's the most Scottish thing ever, of course. So I hope you enjoy the bagpipes. I don't, but I hope you enjoy them because that's playing outside now. Oh. So anyway, please don't mind the bagpipes if you can hear them. I got some really fun beauty things in Victoria's Secret. I went a little bit mad and smelt like every single perfume and body spray and chose the nicest ones. I'm really excited because they had some new scents out. So they have quite a few new summer ones, and the first one I got, honestly this is so on brand for me. I just saw this and thought I need to get it. Even if it doesn't smell good, I need to get this just because I am Aloha Amy, and this is Aloha from Paradise. Luckily it smells amazing. So this is the Aloha from Paradise fragrance mist, and it says Destination Hawaii, Juicy Nectarine, Exotic Blooms and Surfs Up. And it is the most gorgeous bottle. It has palm trees and sunsets and surfing, and it's got a pink lid, and I just think it's so pretty. And yeah, it does smell amazing. Very tropical. And then along with that I got the matching body lotion because it was on deal, so I thought I may as well get the matching set, and I just think it's so pretty. So very on brand of me to get Aloha, but I couldn't not. That is one of their new kind of summer collections. They have some other ones that are, I think there was one something to do with tropical, I'm not sure, but they were all really nice. So obviously I picked Aloha, but they all were really lovely. So I definitely recommend, if you're in Victoria's Secret, checking out their new body mists because they smell so good. And then I also got a couple of their rollerball perfumes because I find them really handy to throw in my handbag, and I just love the scents of them as well. So the first one I got was Bombshell Paradise. I had actually ran out of the original Bombshell perfume and I was just going to repurchase that one. However, I smelt the Paradise one and I thought I would give that a go because it's a little bit different. It smells like Bombshell at first, and then at the end you just get this kind of note of like tropical citrus. I can't really explain it that well. It says juicy grapefruit, blackcurrant and lily of the valley, and it is so lovely. The actual packaging is lovely, and again it's Paradise, very kind of tropical Hawaiian vibes, so I'm fitting in with my brand very well here. And this is what the bottle looks like. So it's this really cool kind of orange and pink ombre, and I just think it's really beautiful and it smells delicious. And then the other one that I got, I basically just saw the bottle and I thought, that is a really pretty bottle. It was very kind of tropical. I got the rollerball of it because of that, and it is Tease Dreamer, and it comes in this really cute little kind of tube, and then you just do that, and then the little rollerball is inside, and it's got gold palm trees on it, and it just says Tease Dreamer in this gorgeous baby blue colour. And this is such a nice smell. It's very kind of sweet, but quite like a kind of like a coconutty scent, but it's very sweet, and I just love kind of tropical scents like that. That's definitely my vibe. I always like coconut, vanilla, citrus, that kind of sweet smell. So this was such a nice find, and the bottle is gorgeous as well, so I picked that one up. And then also kind of on the Hawaiian related tropical vibes, I found this really cute top in New Look, and I just had to buy this because I've been there and I thought, why not? And I got this really pretty t-shirt that says Hawaii Honolulu, and then it's just got a really pretty kind of pink sunset and a wave and lots of the hibiscus flowers, and I just think that it's so pretty. It says Ocean Beach, and yeah, I just think it's really cute. It's kind of oversized square t-shirt, and I think it'll look really cute with leggings and shorts and things like that in the summertime. I just think it's super casual and comfy, and I love t-shirts like this, so I thought that was lovely, and yeah, I got that. And then for myself in TK Maxx, I found these scrunchies. They're called 4 Sleep Scrunchies, and they're from a brand called Kenzie, and I really like satin scrunchies, and I like baby pink obviously, and I just bought these because there were 2 peach ones and 2 pink ones, and this is what they look like. So they're just super simple satin pink scrunchies, and they're just really good for tying my hair up and not damaging my hair. I think that satin scrunchies are such a great idea. They also look really cute as well, and I tend to sleep with my hair in a bun to keep it out the way, and scrunchies are the way to do that because they're much more comfortable, they don't tug at your hair, and also they don't leave an annoying kink shape in your hair. So yeah, I picked up some more of them and it was great. There was a little box of 4 of them. So for the final part of this haul, I also got a few random things in Primark. I needed some jewellery for work, just kind of jewellery that I can wear and it doesn't matter if it gets broken or gets damaged or anything, and so I just got some rings. These are, I'll just put them all on the one finger just to show you all. I literally got all of these rings and it was like £1.50 for every single ring, and I just thought that was quite a good deal, so I got a load of different rings and I can just stack them all up and wear them to work. And I tend to wear them in like hoops as well, and that just kind of ties in. And then I also got a necklace to go with my hoops and those rings, and it's just 2 little circles and I think it looks really cute and there's little sparkles on them. So finally I got an outfit, and this I showed on Instagram because I just got too excited. I just had to post it. And basically I went into Sainsbury's to get some bread and some things for my dinner, and I went to the clothing section and I came back with a pink cord suit. So as you do. I basically just saw the jacket first, and then I picked it up and thought that's absolutely gorgeous, I need that, and then I went around the corner and they had a matching skirt, so I thought may as well get the matching set. And it's so like Elwood's Legally Blonde, I'm obsessed. This is the skirt, so it's this gorgeous little denim skirt, which is baby pink. I love it, I think it's so pretty. And then there is a matching jacket. I mean, how cute is that? It's just so pretty. I love it. I feel like I'm going to get so much wear out of both of these, both separately and together. They were just literally from Sainsbury's clothing department. So yeah, if you're going in to get your food shop, may as well just go and check out the clothes, because you never know that you might come back with an Elwood's outfit. So yeah. So it's actually a couple of days later, and I was just sitting editing this video and I realised that I forgot to show you something, and I got something from Too Faced, and it wouldn't be a haul without showing something from Too Faced. I don't think, I'm pretty sure I've shown something from Too Faced in most of my hauls. So I got a new contour kit from there. It was on sale and I just ran up to Silverburn and got it when I saw it was on sale, because I'd had my eye on this for a while. So it is the new Too Faced Cocoa Contour. It's pretty new to the UK, and honestly it's just so pretty. The box obviously looks like chocolate, and then this is what the palette looks like. It's huge, like it is a good sized palette. The back is gold. I just think it looks so fun. And then when I open it up, how pretty. It is honestly so beautiful. So you've got a light highlight, medium and a deep highlight, and this one I feel like this could be used as an eyeshadow, be a really nice kind of everyday transition shade. And then you've got a light, medium and deep contour. So all of these shades are absolutely gorgeous. It smells like chocolate, it smells so good, and it is just so very pretty. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, I can't believe I forgot to show this, but yeah, I think that's pretty much everything that I've picked up recently, mainly things from Victoria's Secret and a few other things here and there. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I love showing you my hauls and do a lot of shopping, so there's always lots of hauls. I'm sure there'll be more hauls coming soon, because we all know I'm just going to end up shopping more. So if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos just like this. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!